Naches. Apartment number 3. This is a 1-bedroom apartment with a bathroom, a kitchen, and of course the living room in which we are walking in. We will now be walking into the bedroom. Has a nice big closet. We have a wall heater here. Down the hall is the bathroom. Bathtub. Okay. That is it for this apartment. If you have any questions, you can call us at 509-314-4477. The address for this property is 210 S Naches, apartment number 3. There's always somebody there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I thank you for watching. I hope this was enough information to proceed into requesting the application. Have a good day.